When the Crypto.com app is open for the first time, to be able to purchase any crypto, your bank account needs to be linked to your Crypto.com account. You could also just take advantage of the card waiver fee for the first 30 days of opening your account, but I would not recommend it. When I tried to use my cards when I first joined, the banks kept blocking their transactions, so I had to phone them to explain it was me attempting to make those payments. After the first 30 days expire, a 2.99% fee is charged for every card purchase, so I never use the cards for purchasing anymore. There are never any fees for bank transfers, so it makes sense just to link your bank account in the beginning. This can be done by starting from the home screen and tapping on Transfer. Then choose Deposit, Fiat, Set up new currency, and select your local currency. Agree to the terms and conditions to activate the next button. You will need to confirm your home address to continue. Although it says here that your account is ready to use, it has not been linked with your bank account yet. To continue, repeat the process by tapping Transfer, Deposit, Fiat, and your local currency. Now the screen shows the details which you must take to your online banking and set up your Crypto.com account as a new payee. I would recommend tapping this button to have all your info sent to your email so you can print it off to take to your online banking. From there, add a new payee and enter in all the information that was provided in the email. Your unique code is very important. Enter this into the payment reference box in your online banking. This lets Crypto.com know that the funds are to be sent to your Crypto.com account. The first transfer I sent was just for £1, to be sure it was received okay. Once your bank account is linked, you can then purchase CRO to stake for the Ruby Steel cashback card. If you use my referral link when creating your Crypto.com account, a $25 bonus will be paid into your CRO wallet.